Welcome to the content on developing smart contracts and front-end apps for the Monad blockchain. My name is Knox. You can follow me on Twitter @Knox, and I own ProStaking, a validator services company where we run infrastructure for multiple blockchains, including Monad. Now, this content is all about developing basic smart contracts to be deployed on the Monad Testnet, but then also developing a front-end application so that you can interact with that smart contract. Ultimately, it's a very simple premise. We're going to create a light switch, and we're going to store the state of that light switch on or off on the blockchain. And when somebody wants to change or flip that light switch, we want them to pay something like 0.5 Mon coins in order to change the state of the blockchain. That's a really simple way to get started. So how do we store the state of our light switch on the blockchain, and what do we allow to change it? And then how do we create a front-end web application that changes the state, including the transaction of creating a 0.5 Mon transaction to change the state of that light switch? That's what we're here to talk about, and that's what we're going to be covering. So in the very next video, we're going to dive right in and install all the dependencies that you need to get started developing smart contracts and front-end applications on Monad. Let's go.